This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV, and we're here today at the North Shipping with Serge Dal Farra, the Global Marketing Manager of Total Lubmarine. So Serge, to start, all attention today seems to be on alternative fuels and fuels of the future, whether you're talking about ammonia, whether you're talking about hydrogen, whether you're talking about biofuels. Can you discuss specifically how all of this alternative fuel development is impacting the development of your solutions for the maritime industry, specifically discussing what are ship owners asking from you today?
All right. So thanks for the opportunity today. Just a short flashback, because the story does not really start right now. It has started already with the implementation of the IMO 2020, when we realized the extremely importance of the engine cleanliness. So because of the new fuels, the new blends, it happened that the engines were suffering of cleanliness, and especially in the ring pack area where they were potentially at risk. So we came up with a new proposal on the market. We came up with a new product called Talesia HD40, which is Category 2 MAN approved. And also we have fully requalified a product called Talesia Universal. We have requalified it with MAN and also with WinGD, and the product is dual fuel LNG approved. So that's the starting point. But also when we talk lubrication, the lubricant as such is one piece of the puzzle, because the monitoring is also very important. So we have developed and enhanced, upgraded our suite of services, and we have launched on the market a fully connected onboard test kit called LubInsight Neo, to ease the job of the crew on board and also to interconnect with potentially the onshore staff and our own teams, so that the crew is not alone, because the final element of that is the human element. We have a network of marine engineers so that the crew is not alone and gets support from our staff on a daily basis. So that's the starting point. But of course, here now we move on to IMO 2030, IMO 2050, and the industry is preparing, we are preparing. We have our colleagues from Marine Fuels that are already available proposal with LNG. So they propose LNG bunkering facilities in the port of Rotterdam, port of Marseille, and the port of Singapore. And also from the lubricant perspective, we are fully approved for MAN engines and WinGD engines. So now you are talking about the candidate fuels. So what is coming up on the market is ammonia, methanol, and maybe in the next future, hydrogen. So here we are on the assessment phase. Assessment phase in terms of safety, in terms of engine design, in terms of supply, and also in terms of combustion, if there are some combustion issues. So this is assessment. This is work in progress, to be frank. There are no new products to be announced right now, but what I can tell you is that during the next CMAC, there will be some communication on the way, our views for the lubrication of ammonia-fueled engines. So this is where we stand regarding the future fuels and the impact on lubrication.
I understand that there is not a quote-unquote news to announce today, but just in general, in 2023, what can ship owners expect from Total Lubmarine? So
really here, we propose a full offer. So for the marine fuels are available, IMO 2020 compliant, of course, but preparing for the future. And also we have the full set of lubricants for all onboard applications. We're talking a lot of two-stroke engines, but of course we have the equivalent for the four-stroke engines, all the auxiliary equipment on board, and on top of that, the services, the new suite of services, including this LubInsight Neo onboard test kits, really in the next generation of equipment to ease and to perform better for the operation of a vessel.
Okay, Serge, as always, it's a pleasure catching up with you. I wish you a very good show, and I look forward to talking to you and your team in the future.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity.
Excellent.